Have you ever lost access to your Credit Karma account and felt like your financial world was turned upside down? It's a common occurrence, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, because today, we're going to walk you through the steps to recover your Credit Karma account and get back on track with your financial journey. Before we dive into the recovery process, let's understand why it might be important to have access to your Credit Karma account. Credit Karma is a popular free credit monitoring platform that provides valuable insights into your credit score and financial health. It can help you track your credit score, keep an eye on your credit score over time to identify any significant changes or potential issues. Monitor your credit report, review your credit report for errors and discrepancies that could be affecting your credit score. Receive personalized financial advice, get tailored recommendations based on your financial situation, such as credit card offers or debt management strategies. Set financial goals. Use Credit Karma's tools to set and track financial goals, such as improving your credit score or saving for a down payment. Recovery process. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How to recover your Credit Karma account. Step 1. Access the recovery page. The first step is to visit the Credit Karma website and navigate to the login page. Look for a link or button that says "Forgot your password" or something similar. Click on it to access the password recovery page. Step 2. Provide your email address. On the password recovery page, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account. This is crucial because it will be used to send you a password reset link. Step 3. Receive a password reset link. Once you enter your email address, Credit Karma will send a password reset link to your inbox. This link will be valid for a limited time, so make sure to check your email promptly. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the password reset link in your email to open a secure page where you can create a new password for your Credit Karma account. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess and avoid using easily identifiable information. Step 5. Log into your account. After successfully resetting your password, you should be able to log into your Credit Karma account using your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, double-check your password and make sure you're entering it correctly. Additional tips. Check your spam folder. If you don't receive the password reset link in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Contact Credit Karma support. If you're still having trouble recovering your account, don't hesitate to contact Credit Karma's customer support team for assistance. Enable two-factor authentication. To add an extra layer of security to your account, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This will require you to provide a code from your phone or a security device in addition to your password when you log in. Recovering your Credit Karma account may seem daunting, but by following these steps and utilizing the additional tips, you can regain access to your valuable financial information. Remember, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Credit Karma's support team for help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.